we've got our suspension up, we've got our drop cords hanging down. We're going to put our drop cord adjusters on. If you can see here, there's 3 holes in the adjuster. The 2 closest together go to the top. You're going to fish your cord through the top hole and right back through the one right below it, so the middle hole, and you're going to pull that cord on through, get it up here so you're in a good working height. Then you're going to take your drinker line and go through. On this line we have added the extra rotation, anti-rotation bracket, and then you're going to take your cord through there and then come back to your cord adjuster and go through the bottom hole. Pull it through. And just so it's at a good working height, I'm going to put a temporary knot so it doesn't pull back through that cord adjuster all the way back out. And then if you want it higher, you can adjust your adjuster up. I'm going to go to the other end, get the other end of the line up, going through the S hanger. I've already put the cord adjuster on this line, so it's kind of where I want it to be. I'm going to go through the bottom hole and tie that one off as well. And at this point I'm not really leveling, I'm just trying to get it to a semi-workable height. Put a temporary knot